In this video, I'll show you how to add the snake game to your GitHub profile in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to GitHub and open the repository where you want to add the snake game. Step 2. Click Actions and enable GitHub Actions if it's not already active. Step 3. Create a new workflow file inside .github/workflow/. Name it snake.yml. Step 4. Add the snake game GitHub action code which automatically generates the snake animation based on your contributions. Step 5. Commit the file and wait for the workflow to run. Once complete, it generates a snake.svg file. Step 6. Edit your readme.md and add this code. Step 7. Save and your profile will now show the snake game animation. And that's how you add snake game to your GitHub profile. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add snake game to your Shopify store in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store and then Themes. Step 2. Click Edit Code on your current theme. Step 3. Add a new file under Assets and name it snake-game.js. Paste the JavaScript code for the snake game. Step 4. In your theme.liquid or a specific page template, add this element where the game will appear. Step 5. Link the JavaScript file by adding this code in your code. Step 6. Save and refresh your store. The snake game should now appear where you place the canvas. Step 7. Customize the size, colors, or controls to match your store's branding. And that's how you add snake game to your Shopify store. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Lura AI versus Learna AI. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which language learning software is the most effective. Make sure to like and subscribe. First is features. Lura AI focuses on real-time conversational coaching with AI tutors, pronunciation correction, and live roleplays. Learna AI, on the other hand, emphasizes structured lessons, gamified practice, and progress tracking. Next is learning curve. Learna AI is easier for beginners since it guides you step by step. Lura AI requires more self-directional, but rewards learners who want natural conversation practice. Next is customization. Lura AI is highly flexible, letting you stimulate workplace meetings or casual chats. Learna AI is more rigid with lesson paths but ensure grammar and vocabulary coverage. Next is audience. Lura AI is best for professionals who want confidence in speaking. Learna AI suits students or casual learners who prefer structured lessons. Second to the last is value. Lura AI is pricier but mimics a personal tutor. Learna AI is more affordable with subscription tiers that works well for consistent learners. The verdict? If your goal is fluent conversation skills, choose Lura AI. If you prefer step-by-step structured learning, Learna AI is the better pick. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Chartify AI Review. Is this AI trading app actually worth it, or should you skip it? Let's find out. Make sure to like and subscribe. I tested Chartify AI for a few weeks. At first glance, the app provides automated trading signals, real-time market analysis, and risk management tools powered by AI. The strengths? Chartify has a clean interface, easy-to-read chart overlays, and customizable alerts. It's beginner-friendly and doesn't overwhelm with technical jargon. The downsides? its predictions aren't foolproof. Sometimes, signal can be late during volatile markets. Also, advanced trader may find it too basic compared to professional platforms. Pricing is mid-range, not the cheapest but reasonable for what it offers. So, my experience, if you're a beginner or intermediate trader who wants AI-powered insights without complexity, Chartify AI is worth trying. But if you're a pro relying on advanced analytics, you might outgrow it quickly. Now, you can decide whether Chartify AI fits your trading style. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Open Phone Review. Is this business phone app actually worth using? Let's break it down. Make sure to like and subscribe. Open Phone is a virtual phone system that lets you manage calls, text, and voicemails for your business from one app. What I like is it's easy to set up, integrate with tools like Slack and HubSpot, and allows team members to share numbers. The app feels modern and reliable compared to traditional VoIP services. But there are some drawbacks. Quality can fluctuate in weak internet areas, and international calling rates are higher than some competitors. Pricing is straightforward. Monthly plans are affordable and scale with teams. So, is Open Phone worth it? Yes, if you're a small business or startup needing a professional phone solution without the hassle of carriers. But if you rely heavily on international calling, you might want alternatives. Now, you can see if Open Phone is the right fit for your business needs. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. In this video, I'll show you step by step how beginners do product research on Amazon FBA in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into Amazon and browse categories you're interested in. Look for items with high demand but not oversaturated. Step 2. Use a research tool like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout to check product demand, monthly sale, and competition levels. Step 3. Focus on product with consistent demand, profit margin above 30%, and fewer than 300 reviews. Step 4. Analyze seasonality by checking sales history and trends. Avoid products that only sell well for a short season. Step 5. Validate suppliers by checking Alibaba or other sourcing platforms to confirm production costs. Step 6. Shortlist products and keep a spreadsheet to compare margins, reviews, and potential suppliers. And that's how you can do Amazon FBA product research step by step in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Fixer AI tutorial and review. In this video, I'll walk you through its features, give you a quick demo, and share the pros and cons. Make sure to like and subscribe. Fixer AI is an AI-powered productivity tool designed to automate scheduling, email management, and task delegation. When you log in, the dashboard gives you a clean overview of tasks, meeting, and team requests. You can connect your calendar, delegate emails, and even auto-generate responses. The AI assistant learns your style over time, which makes it feel personal. Pros: it saves time on repetitive admin tasks, integrates with tools like Google Workspace and Slack, and is easy to use. Cons: some advanced automations require higher plans, and at times the AI misinterprets complex instructions. So, is Fixer AI worth it? If you're a busy professional or team needing a digital assistant, it's a great time saver. But if your workflow is already streamlined, the extra cost may not be necessary. Now, you know how Fixer AI works and whether it's the right fit for you. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. LangChain versus Llama Index. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which AI framework is better for building apps. Make sure to like and subscribe. First is features. LangChains offer modular tools for chaining prompts, managing memory, and connecting APIs. Llama Index focuses on indexing and querying large datasets with structured retrieval. Next is learning curve. LangChain can be complex for beginners due to its many components. Llama Index is simpler to start with but has narrower focus. Next is customization. LangChain allows deeper customization for complex multi-agent systems. Llama Index is easier if your main goal is document search and retrieval. Audience. LangChain suits developer building advanced AI application with multiple integrations. Llama Index is perfect for researchers, businesses, or anyone needing strong RAG pipelines. For its value, LangChains offers scalability but can feel heavy for simple projects. Llama Index is lightweight, efficient, and great for focused use cases. So what's the verdict? If you want broad flexibility for AI apps, pick LangChain. If your focus is development retrieval and knowledge bases, go with Llama Index. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Perplexity Comet versus Google Chrome. In this 2025 comparison, we'll see if AI browsers are the future or just hype. Make sure to like and subscribe. First is features. Perplexity Comet integrates AI directly into browsing, summarizing pages, suggesting answers, and contextualizing searches. Google Chrome focuses on speed, stability, and extensions, but relies on external AI plugins. Next is learning curve. Comet feels intuitive if you want AI guidance, though it takes time to trust its accuracy. Chrome is familiar to almost everyone, so there's no learning barrier. Next is customization. Chrome has the world's largest extension library. Comet is limited but AI first, meaning fewer but smarter built-in tools. When it comes to audience, Comet is best for knowledge workers, researchers, or students who want AI-assisted browsing. Chrome is better for everyday users who value performance and compatibility. For the value, Comet may save time with AI summaries, but Chrome is free, battle-tested, and widely supported. The verdict? If you want an AI-driven browsing experience, try Comet. But if you prefer stability and compatibility, Chrome remains the safer bet. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. In this video, I'll show you an easy guide to restore your Google Business profile in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to Google Business Profile Manager and log in with the account that owns your profile. Step 2. If your profile is disabled, you'll see a notification. Click Request Review. Step 3. Fill out your instatement form. Provide accurate business details, name, address, phone, and supporting documents. Step 4. Upload proof like utility bills, business license, or photos of your storefront. Step 5. Submit the request and wait. Google usually responds within 3 to 5 business days. Step 6. If approved, your profile will be reinstated. If denied, carefully recheck your documents and reapply. And that's how you can get your Google Business profile back if disabled in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.